Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an anonymous account on Instagram app. So if you want to create or add a second account, maybe you want to explore more anonymously in Instagram, so you can do it. So first you can open the Instagram, but prepare the email. You can create a new email for your anonymous account. After you create a new email, now you can open the Instagram. So after that, you can go to your profile. Tap three stripe at the top of your screen in order to go to the settings and activity. Here, you can scroll down, and then this one, there is a login option. There is an add account, log out all accounts. So you can tap on add account, so you can create new account. Here we go. This is the first step, how you can create anonymous Instagram account. So you can choose your username. You can always change it later. For example, you can combine with the a word and then a number, but no emoji here. For example, here you can try more and more because of maybe there is a someone use the user email or username, sorry. So after that you can follow the guide. So it will take sometimes to choose your username because there are a lot of Instagram user now. So you can try to choose combine your username with the number. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.